Some people walk into a room and everyone notices. They don't say much, they don't try hard, and yet people respect them instantly. Then there are people who talk a lot, work hard, and are genuinely kind, and somehow nobody takes them seriously. The difference isn't looks, it isn't money, it isn't even confidence. It's something most people never figure out. This video is going to show you exactly what it is and how to use it. Psychologists have studied what makes people command respect, and the answer surprises almost everyone. It's not about being loud. It's not about being aggressive. It's about something called psychological presence. Psychological presence means being so fully in control of yourself that other people's nervous systems naturally respond to you. Studies from Harvard Business School found that people who display calm, controlled behavior are consistently rated as more competent, more trustworthy, and more worth listening to, even before they say a single word. Here's what that looks like in real life. The person who doesn't rush to fill silence, the person who makes a decision and doesn't apologize for it, the person who listens, really listens, instead of waiting for their turn to talk. These aren't personality traits you're born with, it's behaviors, and behaviors can be learned. So here are the 3 things that make people respect you without you saying a word. Number 1, control your reaction speed. When someone challenges you, most people react immediately. They defend themselves, they explain, they get flustered. The person who commands respect, they pause, they think, then they respond. Number 2, stop over-explaining yourself. Every time you over-explain a decision, you're signaling that you need the other person's approval. Respected people say what they mean and they stop. No, sorry, I just thought. No, I hope that's okay. Just the decision. Clean. Done. Number 3, get comfortable with silence. Most people are terrified of silence, so they fill it with noise, with small talk, with nervous laughter. But silence is not empty. Silence is control, and people can feel that. Here's the twist that most people miss. Respect isn't something you demand. Respect isn't something you earn by working harder or being nicer. Respect is something people give you when they sense that you don't desperately need it. Psychologist Robert Cialdini called this social proof in reverse. The less you chase approval, the more credible and trustworthy you appear to others. Your calm becomes their signal that you're worth paying attention to. You don't have to become a different person. You just have to stop shrinking yourself to make others comfortable. Control your reactions, stop over-explaining, get comfortable with silence. That's it. That's the whole formula. Which of the 3 is hardest for you? Controlling reactions, stop over-explaining, or silence? Drop it below. I read every single one.